Hey everybody, welcome. This is Steve from OpenBOM, and let's install the OpenBOM add-in for Solid Edge. I'm going to start at the OpenBOM website, find the product menu, and then browse over to the integrations page. On the integrations page, I'm going to scroll down to the Solid Edge area and then click this little button over here. That will take me to that specific page. And then there's some information I can read about the features of the add-in if I'd like, or I can download the installer right here. So I'm going to click that and then save this to my computer downloads area. Based on my browser, I may or may not need to click this MSI file to run it. And then after that, it's a regular Windows installation experience. I'm going to accept that and go ahead and install this. Okay, it's just that simple. Once we're done, I'm going to go ahead and start Solid Edge, and then we'll see that the OpenBOM menu has been installed. Once Solid Edge starts up, open one of your assemblies, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to open my engine assembly, and we'll see that the OpenBOM menu exists. In another video, we'll dive a little deeper into the UI and how to make bombs and all of that, of course. So there we go. There's the OpenBOM menu, and here's the OpenBOM UI. So I hope you found that useful. Thanks.